Hey guys, this is Surup at 350 Fahrenheit. I'm your host for today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all one of this easiest and healthiest salad of the season. This is ginger sesame chicken salad. This is a healthy green salad which is made with chicken and of course some awesome and amazing Asian flavors. There's the perfect crunchness to this recipe, and also I serve this with this amazing sesame vinaigrette, and that makes this all the more delicious. I will teach you how to make this salad step by step. So without further delay, let's quickly get started with the recipe. So I'm going to be using shredded carrots here, and then red onions, and of course some chopped green onions or spring onions, and of course some chopped cabbage. These are the only vegetables I'm using. Then I'm gonna add the chopped chicken. These are cooked chicken, and then I'm adding the crushed red pepper flakes just for that heat, because without heat Asian recipe is just not complete. And after all of this, I'm gonna make a quick vinaigrette, and for that I'm using rice wine vinegar, of course, for that perfect Asian flavor, some sesame oil, some black pepper, some red pepper flakes, some salt to season it all, and of course some chopped garlic and some chopped ginger to give it that amazing Asian flavor. Of course, Asian recipe is incomplete without honey, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of honey to all of this. Not a lot, just to balance out the tartness of the vinegar, and then I'm gonna stir it all together and make my vinaigrette. This vinaigrette is so good, you can make it ahead of time and store it. You can use it for any other recipe, and of course I have used one part of vinegar and one part of oil, and that makes it not a very oily and just perfect for this recipe. It's totally healthy and so delicious. Now, finally, I'm gonna toss all of my veggies and the chicken together. Guys, I have cooked the chicken here. I have pre-cooked the chicken in the microwave for 15 minutes and then used it. You can also slow cook the chicken, cube it, and then use it in the salad. So I'm gonna toss all of these veggies along with the chicken together, and then I'm gonna add my vinaigrette to it. And I'm gonna add the vinaigrette and combine everything. And see guys, within minutes this recipe is done and completed. Isn't it such a healthy and delicious salad? I mean, it's got all those amazing Asian flavors and still it's healthy. Generally we associate Asian recipes with something that's stir fried or is too oily, but this time I'm giving you a salad recipe, and that too with all those amazing Asian flavors and in the form of your healthy green. You're going to enjoy all of these veggies, of course along with the chicken, and of course the vinaigrette is just to die for. And to finish it off, I'm gonna add some more sesame seeds to this. Of course this is a sesame salad, so without that it's incomplete. So I'm gonna add some black sesame seeds and some white sesame seeds, and of course some boiled eggs. I'm adding chopped hard boiled eggs here just for that extra added protein to this salad. And to make it more wholesome, I have added some chopped boiled eggs, and after all of this I'm gonna serve it. So see guys, within minutes this salad is ready. It's so good and so delicious, perfect for lunch, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you want the full recipe, you can hop on to the description below and you can find the full recipe there, or visit my blog at 350f and you can find the full recipe there. Thank you so much for your time, friends. Have a great day ahead.